Hi everyone! Welcome to K Seafood Pavilion. This is your host Gina P and
Maddie.
Hi Maddie, how are you?
I'm good now that I'm with you.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Today we're gonna talk about food. We're gonna cook for you guys, and because I don't know about you, but I'm not very good at cooking.
Oh yeah? Oh my god.
So we have some ingredients to help you today with our cooking and your cooking as well.
Let's start with this one. Okay, so we have premium truffle low sea salt, everyone.
And I'm actually so happy to be talking about this today because I saw this a lot abroad, and I didn't know that they had it in Korea as well. On Amazon, that it is in Korea or abroad for that matter. This salt right here, first of all, it's a very healthy truffle low sea salt, so you can use it in your food without having to worry about your health and stuff like that. They actually come in individual packets, so basically it's very easy to maintain it, like keep it in a very nice state. You know how sometimes when you put it in a container and then you go and reach for it, sometimes it tends to be all clumped together because of humidity or stuff like that. What are we gonna do? I'm excited.
Steak!
Oh, okay, Gina.
Yeah?
We're a very good match. Because I wanted to eat steak.
Okay, I'm gonna try it anyway. Oh my god.
Okay, Sue says that she wants a bite of the steak.
So we're gonna use this truffle.
You know, get your salt, get your seasoning, but not have it, unhealthy for your health.
Yeah.
And just, it saves all of your dishes basically. And you have it packed in little packets like that, so it's very convenient to take it with you. The flavor is amazing, you guys. I'm probably gonna steal one leaving today.
So in Korea nowadays, truffle salt is a thing. It's very trending because it was on TV.
Yeah.
So they actually dip it just like that. Very, very flavory and the way you eat. I can feel that scent, the truffle. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet, everyone.
Gina.
Yeah?
You're a chef.
Really?
Oh.
I feel like there is actually real truffle.
Yeah, a little. You don't need a lot.
Just a little,
Right? You guys, we did it.
Oh my god!
We did it. Oh my
god.
Wait. I'm gonna try
This is so good.
a little bit of...
Just invite your friends to your house and then just, make the steak with this truffle salt.
This was so simple as well. It only took you 4 or 5 minutes?
Yeah, oh my god, I have to try that at home. Just by myself.
With the asparagus as well. It's so good.
So,
and actually, because it's individually packaged,
yeah.
Even when you go on a trip, you take, let's say you're staying a few days, you don't even have to take the whole box. You take a few of these and you're good to go. Camping, glamping is a thing these days.
Yes, right, exactly.
A lot of people go glamping.
Yeah,
You're good to go.
There's 15. Yeah, 15 packs.
Yeah, 15 in
packets.
this little box right here, and they're all 5 grams each.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
And lots of mineral and little sodium. So it's really...
Don't mind me.
Okay. It has 15, so you can get
well, now it
3
has 12.
at least. Okay, then these are mine.
I would do, so if I were at home, I would use this with cream pasta.
Oh, right.
It would be so good because the smell is all so strong.
Yeah, it looks like this.
Maybe that's how it is inside, and you can actually see the little truffle bits, right?
Right. Oh my god. If you love truffle, then you're gonna fall in love right away because of the scent.
We also have the sauce.
Fish
set.
soy sauce.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm so happy with this product actually.
Oh yeah?
Because, if you want to make Asian food but you don't really know how to make it, then this one will make you okay, this is Asian food.
Yeah.
That kind of feeling. So if you want to make that flavor, this one is for you. And also this one is premium, you know.
Definitely, and it looks like it, right?
Yeah, and this is like a gift set, so
yeah.
you can actually give it to your friend.
You can definitely put it in so many dishes, including the ones that we're gonna have today. Through the courtesy of our beautiful Gina right here. She's the chef, I'm the sous chef, I'm the assistant. I'm very, very beginner.
And prepare steamed rice too. Oh my god, I failed. I'm sorry. I failed. I'm gonna make one more. I'm sorry.
Let's do it one more time.
Oh no. Oopsie. Okay.
Okay.
Just fried egg.
Ooh, and I actually like it a little bit runny like that.
Yes,
yeah.
Same.
Because it adds flavor to the rice, right?
Right. This fish soy sauce, original one.
Ooh, I'm excited.
So 1 spoon, just a little bit of
yeah.
like 1 spoon.
Yeah, this should be enough, right?
Can you smell this one?
Yeah, this one is fine. This one, like, even though, like, put it... Ooh.
So this is really easy. I made it, so you can make it too.
Okay.
And then you can just mix it.
Good.
Smell. The smell is so good. It's not like fishy.
Yeah.
At all.
It has that like aftertaste. So when you taste it, it's not like boom in your face. It's just like, oh, there's a little bit of the like fish flavor in this.
Ready?
Yes.
This is for you.
I'm excited. Please open your restaurant.
Did you eat your breakfast?
No.
Really?
Maybe that's why it tastes better than I thought. Tastes good, right? I feel like, you know, if you use plain soy sauce, maybe it could get a little bit boring, right? Especially because you eat that so often. So it could add a little bit of change to your usual diet, which is more than welcome, right?
So for this one, we use this soy sauce. So you can use it for just so many like seasoned.
Definitely.
Yeah, spinach, seasoned spinach.
Right.
And tofu stew. There's so many things actually.
Yeah, and like seaweed soup, like so many things.
For me, this one.
Oh yeah?
Because I found that this one I can use for just so many foods. Like
that's true.
Like for example, this one. Like I never thought that I can use this fish soy sauce for this side dish.
Right. Really impressed with this because it truly it truly made this soup like much tastier.
Yes, right.
Yeah,
so,
I feel like it would have been a little plain.
So you can make that Asian food flavor very easily with this fish soy sauce. So we have 2 different tastes. So what I like is the lighter one, and what you like is the original one.
Right.
So the original one, you can use it for more like deeper and darker, those like kind of, you know, food.
Yeah.
Not just soup.
Yeah.
There's so many things
seaweed
like
soup, tofu
this.
stew, or like seasoned spinach.
Yes,
stuff like that.
So today we introduced these 2 items, and these 2 items, and they are all good for, you know, as a gift.
For sure. Right.
So I'm gonna definitely use them at home, and I'm gonna share it through, I don't know, my social media maybe later, so that you can see the recipe.
Oh,
okay,
wow.
so
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Well,
guys,
thank you for teaching me how to cook today.
Oh, thank you for eating my food.
Yes, it was very tasty. So thank you guys for tuning in again to the K Seafood Pavilion. And I hope to cook with you again, Gina.
Oh.
It was a very fun experience.
Yeah, same. Okay, guys, thank you so much for
you.
watching, and we'll see you guys next time.